Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your account on Medium. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you do not want to delete your account permanently, you can deactivate it, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first click on your profile, and after that click on the settings, then click on the security, and here you can see the deactivate account. So deactivating your account will remove it from Medium within a few minutes. Deactivation will also immediately cancel any subscription for Medium membership, and no money will be reimbursed, so you can sign back in anytime to reactivate your account and restore its content. So click on the deactivate account. If you want that, click on the deactivate, and then you're all set. So if you change your mind, then you can go back and you can restore all your content. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.